The best way, therefore, to compare the efficacy of the two training approaches is to examine the results obtained by a genetically superior practitioner from each camp. On May 1, 1973, Casey Viator entered into an experiment conducted at Colorado State University in Fort Collins for the purpose of discovering how much muscle he would gain on a high-intensity training program in 1 month. Casey trained only 3 times a week, with each workout lasting no more than 30 minutes. Since the duration of the experiment was a month, this meant that Casey trained 12 times, for a total of only 6 hours. The result was that Casey went from a starting body weight of 166 pounds to his previous highest body weight in top muscular condition of 212 pounds. The exercise physiologist who conducted the experiment, Dr. Elliott Please, discovered, using a sophisticated radioisotope assay machine, that Casey lost 17 pounds of fat during that month. Casey's actual lean body mass gain, therefore, was not merely the 46 pounds as evidenced on the scale, but a whopping 63 pounds, and all from only 6 hours of training. Now contrast Casey's achievement with what Arnold Schwarzenegger did to prepare for the 1975 Mr. Olympia contest. Arnold has gone to considerable lengths advertising the fact that, starting in July of that year, he trained twice a day for 2 hours each session, or 4 hours a day, 6 days a week, right up to the contest date in November. As a result of training that totaled 288 hours, Arnold put on approximately 25 pounds of lean mass, going from his starting weight of 200 pounds to 225. It is interesting to note that Arnold, in gaining back only 25 pounds of muscle, failed in that 4-month period to reach his previous best muscular body weight of 237 pounds. Not only are Casey and Arnold genetically gifted, both were also regaining muscle mass, which happens more readily than gaining it in the first place. And since both were taking steroids during these periods of training, one is left to conclude that the factor accounting for Casey's vastly superior achievement was his use of high-intensity training principles. When I asked Arnold in 1979 why he had failed to attain the same 237 pounds for the 1975 Mr. Olympia that he competed at in the 1974 Mr. Olympia, he responded by saying that the 4 months he had to prepare wasn't enough time.